Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Alexander Shvets. I am 30 years old and I'm going to keep on cutting hay. Let's go inside. This is our swather inside. This is the steering wheel. This is the display for computer. It shows us revolutions, speed, how much diesel we have, and a lot of different information such as charging and so on. This is emergency light, and here we have button for transport position and for work position. These two levers we use for revolutions, for starting cutting. This is the gas, this is handbrake, this is the ignition lock, and this is gearbox. It has three positions, forward, backward, neutral, and parking position. This position is parking position. And here we have air conditioning, light. Okay, if we want to start cutting hay, we need to press some combination of levers. We need to start the equipment. Then we need to full gas. Then we need to move down handbrake. And now we start moving little by little. Our speed is 4.9 miles an hour. Now 5 miles an hour, 4.9. We use this speed for cutting grass. For this swather, New Holland HW320. So let me show you how it works.
Hi everyone, it's me again. This is our field where I cut hay 4 days ago, and I rake it in the morning, and now I am going to make bale. This is a unit which we use for making bale here in the USA. So let me show you how it works. This truck we use for harvesting wheat, corn and grass. We already harvested wheat in May, and now it's time to harvest corn. So let's go inside and look what's inside. Here we have 3 pedals: clutch, brakes and gas, steering wheel, gearbox. It has 10 gears, 5 in low position and plus 5 in high position. This is parking brake for all wheels, and this is air conditioning system. This is control panel. Here we have water, oil, speed, fuel, volts, PCI, air 1 and 2. So we can control all the truck from inside. So now it's time to go to the field. So let's go. When we finish work in field, we need to do service for our tractors and equipment. First of all, we clean engine, filters with air. When we finish cleaning with there. You just take this equipment and start greasing all points. So when we finish greasing, we check diesel, check oil. If it needs, we add some liquid, some more, and when it's finished, we park water, and our work being finished.